Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure your laptop is online and powered. This avoids interruptions. Once connected, open your preferred browser, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and navigate to YouTube. Or launch the YouTube app if installed. Sign in with your Google account so recommendations and playlists sync. Make sure to allow cookies if prompted. This keeps your preferences. If you already have a channel, click your avatar to access it. These first steps get you to the main YouTube page and ready to search. Now find what you want by typing keywords into the search bar. Use quotes for exact phrases and filters to narrow results by upload date or duration. Click a video to play it. Drag the progress bar to skip or replay. While playing, open settings to change quality, select auto for variable bandwidth, or choose 1080p for clarity. Use like, save to a playlist, and subscribe to channels. These actions shape future recommendations. Also enable captions if you need subtitles or transcription for clarity. To finish tasks like uploading, click Create then Upload Video. Drag files, add title and description, choose visibility, and hit Publish. For playback or buffering problems, first lower quality and reload the page. If that fails, clear browser cache or restart the browser to reset temporary issues. Once done, try incognito or a different browser to determine if extensions or account settings cause trouble. If uploads stall, check file format and size limits. These final checks complete your YouTube workflow and resolve common hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.